Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brittany if you're new here. I would love for you guys to stick around, so please subscribe and give this video a like if you are excited for fall. I'm so excited, you guys. I love fall. It's my favorite time of the year. It's so exciting. It goes by like that though. So that's one thing that is sad about it coming and going. So I wanted to talk to you guys today. I am doing a collaboration with an amazing girl. She found me here on YouTube. So her name here on YouTube is Running Away with Life. And her name is Miranda. She is so nice. She's so sweet. Her videos, I've like binged on her YouTube. She has really, really good recipes and great YouTube channel. I really, really like her. So today we are doing fall desserts. Now who doesn't love dessert? First of all, and then put fall into it, like best thing ever. So I am making pumpkin cupcakes with pumpkin fluff frosting. Drooling, okay? And then I'm also gonna be making s'more bites. Who doesn't love a good s'more, you know what I'm saying? What better way, because in September it's like chilly and you want to sit by the fire and roast marshmallows. Well, you can just take your little s'more cupcake, little s'more bite out to the fire pit instead of, you know, or do both, whatever you prefer. I'm going to show you how to make the cupcakes first because those will take the longest. And then we'll do the s'more bites because those do not take long at all. Super simple, super delicious, super easy. Now, cupcakes for this recipe say they're 4 points per cupcake. I'm still going to do the app. I'm going to point everything out and just make sure it's 4 points per cupcake. And at the end of the video, I will tell you guys everything that you need to know. Also link everything that I use down below, all of the recipes I should say. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you what you need for the pumpkin cupcakes. I'm going to be using 1 box of the spice cake mix, some sugar-free vanilla jello, pumpkin pie spice, and then it calls for 2 15-ounce cans of pumpkin puree. So I just got 1 giant can for both because I'm going to be making them together. So just half and half for the frosting and the pie. Sorry, the cupcakes. Then for the s'more bites, you can just use whatever kind of graham crackers you like. You will need Hershey chocolate or any type of milk chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever you prefer. Some Jet Puff or just any type of marshmallow. And you will need powdered sugar. I highly recommend not skipping this step because the recipe said that they made it without the sugar and the crust didn't stick very well. So we're going to be using the powdered sugar. And also you need butter. So I'm going to be using, I can't believe it's not butter, the light one. So let's get started with the cupcakes because they take the longest. And I want to make this video not super long, but I want it to be enjoyable and fall spirited. I'm so excited, you guys. I just love fall. I've already said that like 600 times. But yeah, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, so what we're going to do is add our spice cake mix. This is the cake mix I have. I'm sure you guys already saw that. Just right into here. This will make 24 cupcakes, by the way. So I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. And I'm going to add half of the can of pumpkin puree here. Not going to add anything else to this but the pumpkin puree. Okay. Oops. And then give it a good mix. And then once it's pretty much like you kind of got it mixed like this, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of water. Okay, so once it looks like that, it looks so good, you guys. We're going to put our little things in our little muffin trays over here. Okay, I got my little muffin trays. I thought these were so Halloweenish, like the black and this one, like Beetlejuice for sure. This one I might use for the s'mores. It's so cute. So let's do black for the first round. Okay, now with my little ice cream scooper, I'm going to evenly distribute into little cupcake dishes. By the way, you guys, I did point these out, so it is 4 points for one of these cupcakes with the pumpkin fluff frosting. Oops. And I also forgot to show you guys that you need Cool Whip, so that is another key ingredient. Now we're gonna stick these in the oven for 12 minutes. And then we're gonna start on the pumpkin fluff. What you need for this is this pumpkin spice, the other half of your pumpkin puree, your vanilla jello, sugar-free jello, 1 container of Cool Whip. I got the light. You can use regular, whatever you prefer. Okay, so what we're going to do is add our Cool Whip cupcakes under it, because you can literally just eat pumpkin fluff as a dessert. You can freeze it, stick it in between graham crackers, really anything that you love, or just eat it with a spoon. Yum. I'm gonna make that for Thanksgiving, I think. And then you're gonna add your jello mix. Then you're gonna add your vanilla sugar-free jello, and then just fold all of this together. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to add the pumpkin pie spice. You're just gonna do 1/4 of a tablespoon, so just this little guy. This stuff's very strong. Okay, you guys, that's what it looks like. It looks so good. Let's taste it. That is so good, you guys. Wow. Mmm. Yum. I'm actually gonna add 1 more 1/4 teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice. Very delicious. Not overpowering. Hopefully me adding that extra spice won't ruin it, but so good. Let's try it now. Mmm. Yeah, 1/2 tablespoon is way better. Okay, you guys, I'm going to put this in the fridge with some foil over it, or not foil, some clear wrap over it to let it cool off. And then once our cupcakes are done, we can frost them with this. Okay, you guys, now we're gonna move on to our s'more recipe. So what I did was I grabbed 4 cookies, or like 4 sheets, and I put them in a Ziploc baggie, and then I just smashed them with this. You can also use like a rolling pin or just something to like create like a graham cracker dust kind of. And then now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of our light butter. This will make 12 servings. You can make this, you can double this and make it the recipe that I'm following. But I chose to just do 12 because I don't need that many. So I'm just gonna add 3 tablespoons of the light butter. We are gonna put 1/8 cup of powdered sugar into here, about 1/4 of a cup, and then mix that all together. I'm gonna use my fingers and just make sure you wash your hands before you start to cook, obviously, till it's a pretty wet consistency, guys. So it does say to use a mini cupcake sheet, so I'm going to do that, and I'm just going to spray 12 of them because I'm doing half of the recipe. All right, so just scoop evenly into each little dish. guys, so try to make them as even as possible. And then I'm just going to take my finger and squish down on them. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to throw these in the oven for about 4 or 5 minutes to get the graham cracker crust crispy. You're going to take 6 marshmallows and cut them in half and add them right on top. And you're going to do half of it because they're mini. You don't need a lot of chocolate. You guys could easily double up this recipe for like a party or something. It'd be so cute. Also, we're making those. Our cupcakes are done. Look at how good they look. Yum. So now I'm going to finish up and add some more cupcake tins. These ones are my favorite. They're so cute. I love them. Okay, so now just gonna add the rest of the cupcake mix. We're gonna stick them in the oven for about 2 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna do 3 minutes, and then I might broil it so that the marshmallow gets all crispy. You guys, so that is how you make the cupcakes and the fluff. I'm going to clean up and I'm gonna get everything all ready, and then once our cupcakes are cooled off, we're gonna frost them, and then I'm gonna also broil the top of the marshmallow so that they're all crispy and delicious. So yeah, I'm excited to see what they taste like. Everything is done. I'm so excited. That took me like less than an hour to make all of that, and I want to try it on camera for you guys. So the s'more bites turned out amazing. They turned out amazing, you guys. They're so crispy. The bottom, the crust and everything is so crispy. The chocolate underneath is so good. Yeah, so let's try one. Wow, it's so good. That was the best thing I think I've ever ate. It was only 3 points. So the best thing about the s'more bites is that they're only 3 points. They're so good. I am so glad that I only made 12. They're so good. Okay, let's set those aside and let's try the cupcake with the fluff. Okay, so I only fluffed 1 cupcake because I don't want to fluff them all. I feel like it would be hard to put them in a container. So I'm gonna leave the fluff on the side, and every time I want one, I'll just add a little fluff. So I just did a scoop with a little spoon. So let's try it. I nailed it, you guys. Wow. Okay, you guys, that is all. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I'd love to have you guys stick around. If you love these fall recipes, let me know down below and I will create more. So if you guys do give these recipes a try, let me know. I gonna have a hard time staying away from the cupcakes. Those were my favorite. The s'mores though, they're so little and they're so delicious. This would be great for like if you guys have family over or something and you just want a quick snack. These took me like, I don't know, this all took me less than an hour to make, and that was videoing, so probably like a half an hour for both of them because the cupcakes only take 15 minutes to bake. They're so cute. Like, look at the little packaging too. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.